I picked up the viral Wonderskin lip stain. I got the shade XOXO and it's a beautiful natural light rose color. It smells like Palmer Violet. Let's do half and half first actually. I like this kind of tofu applicator because it makes it mega easy to trace your lip line and apply. Now I'm gonna leave this to dry for about 60 seconds for wiping it off. Oh, there's a little guide inside the package as well. So it's been around 60 seconds. Let's get this off and see what it looks like. Oh, how pretty does that look? Look at the difference. Like it gives a subtle yet still noticeable color to lips. Now I'll do the other side and show you the finished look. What the heck? It's magic. I freaking love it. It's not bunch at all. Completely transfer proof. 10/10. I'm seriously impressed. Let's just throw on some gloss. And I'm good to go. Guess I have a new obsession.